show you how to install a kitchen shelf. So this is the kitchen shelf. Most of the middle class people like me gonna use this. So I'm gonna show you how to install this at your home, and I'm gonna show you this. So for this, first you have to hold this, the position which you want, and you can see there are 4 screw options here. 1, 2 at the bottom, the same at the right side over here. Yeah, 1 and 2 at the bottom. So first make sure you have a pen with you, so you can make the marking easily, pen or a pencil. So best keep it in position, check which is the suitable place, hold it or the bottom and give a little pressure, so it's gonna stay. So then make sure everything is perfect, do not shake it, and then use a pen or a pencil and mark it at 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 sides. Once you're marked, take this and keep it apart. Later check on the marks. Okay, these are the points which I have made. Make sure this is clearly visible, then only you have to make an attempt of drilling. Or else, if it is not clearly visible, I recommend you guys to check it again and then do it. Make sure you cover all the places because there is lot of mud gonna fall. So I'm gonna start drilling from the bottom. So we're done with making a hole by drilling it. So it's time to use the gutta, hammer, and well, I'm looking for my hammer. So you need flat screwdriver, few gutta. Always clean on the upper side. Okay, so 1 done. Two. Three. And here comes the 4th one. That will make some alteration in the gutta. So here was the 4th one. Screw gutta is inserted, and I have now it's time to put the screws. So there is an 1/2 inch gap because I have to keep the kitchen rack and then have a check. There will be some kind of alteration which has to be made, so that's why I'm not gonna hit the complete screw inside. final check whether it's fitting proper or not. Okay, the upper slot is perfect. Let's check the lower slot, correct, and the final slot. So now it's done, but we can see it is free because I told you it has to be only a 6 mm gap. So now it's perfectly fine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to punch the screws little inside, and then I'm going to hang this. So it's just of 5 to 6 mm gap. I'm gonna show you. You can see it's just a 5 to 6 mm gap which I've left for all the screws. So this is how you have to punch in. So it's perfectly fine. I'm gonna just put this kitchen rack back. So there's too much of other work has to be done. It has to be washed. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope this was useful to you on how to install the kitchen rack. So it will not gonna take hardly 3 to 4 minutes because I was making a demonstration. I wanted to show you how to do that. So it took almost 8 to 9 minutes of time. So hope you guys enjoy this. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and help me in uploading more and more video. Please it's a motivation for me every time I see a increased content the number of my subscribers. Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much for your love and support. Today wherein I have reached 40,000 plus subscribers, all is because of you guys. Thank you so much guys. Catch you in my next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.